Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial we are going to remove these blotches. But before we start, let's save our actions, so we can use them later. Go to Actions, and choose New Action. I'll name this face Retouch. Now we are recording every action. Go to the Layer panel. Duplicate the image twice. Right-click and select Duplicate Layer or press Ctrl J twice. For Mac press Command J. Now let's name our layers. Name the first copy top layer, and the second copy mid layer. After that, hide the top layer and select mid layer and make it active. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now by the Gaussian blur try to hide the blotches as much as possible, but not too much. Then go to the top layer, make it visible and active. Go to Image, and apply image.
Choose the mid layer and make sure that the blending subtract. The opacity 100%.
The scale is 2.
The offset is 128.
Make the blending mode for the top layer, linear light. We are ready to go. But before that let's stop the recorder. Go to Actions and press the stop button. Now let's start fixing the face. Select the lasso tool and start marking the parts that need to be fixed. Do not select the eyes, the lips, the ears, and the hair. We need to enhance the image, not to transform it. Go to Feather and make it between 27 and 30. Right-click and select Feather. It's also found on the top right here. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make the Gaussian blur between 35 and 40. And deselect it. Now it's the clone stamp tool turn. Select the top layer. Press Alt and choose a source to fix the red blotches. Make the brush bigger than the blotch. Start clicking and do not draw around the blotch. Now select the mid layer and do the same thing. Here we are. It's going well. Now you get it? Fix all the image blotches just like I do. And remember that this image is very hard to deal with. Be careful with the source and remember to click. Do not draw. Just click. It's cool. Go to the background layer eyeball. Press Alt. And click on the eyeball to hide the other layers and recognize the differences. Perfect. One last touch. Go to Filter. Camera Raw Filter. Lower the clarity to -15. Don't exceed -25, and press OK. Do it for both top and mid layers. Let's repeat it to the top layer. Just select the top layer and go to filter, camera raw filter on the top. It's done. Now let's do it again, but this time it won't take 2 minutes. Go to actions. Select the face retouch action that we recently recorded. And press the play button. It will stop on the blur settings. Remember that the images are not the same. In the apply image, make sure that the values are equal to what we did before. Next time. It won't take you a couple of minutes to complete the face retouching. That is all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Good day.